So if anything like me, these rattly zipper pulls drive you crazy, especially in a vehicle like this med kit in the back of my truck. So I'm going to show you a quick tip how to put on a better zipper pull. I know it's kind of a trivial thing, but it'll get rid of the rattle, and I really like this. So some of you have probably seen this before, but what we'll need for this is a pair of cutters to cut the metal pull off, some paracord that you've pulled the guts out of, all the inner strands, some shrink tubing, a lighter, heat gun, some scissors, and maybe a little pick to get it through the zipper. So we'll start with getting this zipper pull off. All right, so nothing to it, pair of angle cutters, cut that off, just bend right off, throw that away. And then we'll feed this paracord through. All right, so we got that through. Now we will slide it through the shrink tubing. I'm actually going to cut this down. So slide it through there. You want the smallest shrink tubing you can fit the paracord through. So slide that all the way to the bottom, tie a knot. Make it pretty as close as possible to the shrink tubing, so just like that. Trim off your excess. Burn it down so you don't have any frays. All right, so that's nice and tight. Now we'll just take the heat gun to it. I'm gonna put on a glove. I'll burn my hand. All right, so don't do what I did and burn through your bag with the heat gun, but there you have it, a rattle-free zipper pull. You can use it on backpacks or in this case, a med kit, but definitely give it a try. Super easy. Grab some shrink tube, some paracord, and everything else you probably already have. Maybe a heat gun, and we'll see you on the next video. Stick around for more content. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.